Hello everybody, welcome to this channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to download YouTube videos to your gallery. For that you have to follow my instructions very carefully. You can see that I'm on the home page of YouTube. Now I'm gonna download one of the YouTube videos to my gallery. So let me show you how. First of all, you need to just share it and you have to copy the link from this option. Okay, that's all. Now you have to go to the Chrome browser, then you have to search for savefrom.net. So after searching savefrom.net, you will be directed to this interface, or there can be some search results. You have to click on the first link. So after that, you have to paste the URL here. Here it is. You will be able to see the interface of that particular video. You have to select the particular resolution you want, then you have to click the download option. Here it is, you have to wait patiently and soon it will be downloading. Here it is, you can see if I click details, you can see that the video is downloading and it will be downloaded to your gallery. Now I'm gonna show you another way. You have to search again by vidmate apk download. Okay, now you have to go to the first link and you have to install this application. Okay, you have to click on the free download now you have to just install that application. After that you have to go to the particular application. Okay, here it is. You have to go to the search bar and search for that link. Okay, you can see that the video has been appeared. After that you have to click the download here. You have to select the resolution. You can see there are a lot of resolution, there are a lot of choices. You have to select any of it, then you have to click download. That's all. You can see that the video is downloading. So this is how easily you can download your YouTube videos to your gallery in two ways. First of all, you can use the website that I have mentioned, and secondly, you can use this application to download your video. Not only that, from this application you can directly access to your YouTube, and that's amazing. So that's all for today's video. If this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.